Well, these are our new black powder charges, 1 ounce packets that we are going to be using for our cannons. Positions. Is it going?
On.
It's rolling.
Rolling.
All right. Ready?
Ready.
Ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1.
Holy. Ready.
3, 2, 1.
Holy shit!
Woo! Yeah! That's a cannon shot. Ready?
Ready.
Ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1.
Holy shit! Ready.
You ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1. Okay, so we went through the fridge and I blew up my target. Holy shit. Where did my target go?
In the berm.
Where did my target go?
In the berm.
Holy sh! Oh no, what is that? That's not it. No.
No, it took the fucking target clear off. It fucking.
Dude, that is a big exit hole.
That's a nice hit, Dan.
This target is 2 days old. Holy shit. This target is 2 days old and I broke it.